Hello. Thank you. I'm fine. And you? Okay. What do you mean? Uh, what? I don't. Yeah, I can. Okay. So now it's. Yeah, I can hear you. Everything okay. I can hear you, but I cannot see you. But anyway.
Is it on? Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. So in the Xhosa culture, in order for you to bring everyone in, we start with the song. I know there's a lot of people that are still waiting outside, so I'm gonna try and think of a song that can, sort of unite us. All the Xhosas that are here, please support me. Please. Igqirha lendlela nguqongqothwane. Igqirha lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Igqirha lendlela nguqongqothwane. Igqirha lendlela kuthiwa Okay, at least if you do not know the song, can you please support us by clapping? Please, and then maybe move your head, to the beat at least. Kuthiwa nguqongqothwane, igqirha lendlela, kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Ebeqabele gqithapha, ayi uqongqothwane. Ebeqabele gqithapha, ayi uqongqothwane. Ebeqabele gqithapha, ayi uqongqothwane. Ebeqabele gqithapha, ayi uqongqothwane. From start. Igqirha lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Can you please occupy the seats here? Lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Yes. Igqirha lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Igqirha lendlela kuthiwa nguqongqothwane. Thank you. Sing very beautifully. Thank you. So I'm going to do this part in my language. I am Xhosa, well, Swati, but that's a long story. Xhosa. Ndithanda ukunamkela ngale mini namhlanje. Sidibene ndithanda namkela namhlanje kulomzi wase CPUT, Cape Peninsula University of Technology, kule ndibano sibhiyozela lemini eqaqambisa ubuhle bendlela esohlukene ngayo singabantu elizweni. Nanjengoko sisazi ukuba amaxesha amaninzi sisoloko siqaqambisa indlela esohluke ngayo, le ndibano ke ilungiselelwe ukuze iveze uphawu lobunye nendlela esamkela ngayo ukohlukana kwethu. Sidibene apha sisuka kwiimbombo zone zehlabathi simele izithethe namasiko ethu, iilwimi kwakunye neenkolelo esikholelwa kuzo. Siqaphela kwaye samkela ukwabelana ngeembono kwakunye neemvakalelo zethu sisuka kwiindawo ngeendawo ezahlukeneyo ekukhuleni kwethu nezisikhokhelela kubunye obuchulumancelalisa kula maziko emfundo. Sonwabela amandla okohlukana kwethu ngendlela esenza ngayo izinto, ubutyebi kwizithethe namasiko ethu kwakunye neelwimi zethu ezahlukeneyo nendlela esiqiqa ngayo nesicikixa ngayo iimbono zethu nekhuthazwa yimvelaphi yethu. Sivuyela ubuhlobo obusuka kule mvelaphi nobugqobhoza ngapha kwezilwandle neentaba. Intsebenziswano nekhuthazwa ziingqiqo zethu and kunye nenzuzo esifumana komnye nomnye ngenxa yemvelaphi eyohlukeneyo. Manditsho ke manene namanenekazi, Mlisela nomthinjana wakowethu, namkelekile kwesi siyunguma. Enkosi. In this moment, I am going to call upon Miss Ayesha to come and do the welcoming in a different language. You can come to the stage. I won't bite.
I think I'm too short to stand here. Yeah, no man. I just wanted to ask if Louise here in Bronwyn. Okay, Bronwyn, Afrikaans. Okay. Do you mind if I come out of this? Can you all hear me clearly? Yes. I wanted to do the sign language first. And I invited the disability unit. I asked them to send, but he was in another meeting. So they actually showed me, and I want everybody to try this. Okay. When we say hello in sign language, we do this. With your forehead, touch your forehead, hello, hello. So that means hello, so I'm teaching you that. So whenever you see somebody and you say hello, and you keep it and say welcome, welcome. So it's hello, welcome. Okay. Okay. So that's my other language. And then I want to say, wamkelekile, mowene, that's how we say kosa. And then I want to say dumelang, because I heard from our language coordinator, our institution language, Kabelo, Sebalai, our institution language coordinator, that dumelang is used in many languages. Am I correct? Sotho, Tswana. So dumelang, that's another way of saying hello. And then of course, the Cape Town language. I don't even know how to someone often addressed Cape Townian today, and I thought, oh, what the heck do I do? Because we are such a mixed match of languages. So, I will say, do you need me in front of the mic? Okay. Can you just move the mic? Yes. Wow. Okay. Dave? Okay, got it. So, the Cape Town language is, sure. In my language, we all say salam. Know that? Salam, ufar. Everybody, what is ufar? But ufar comes from how are you? Ufar jy in Afrikaans. So it's like a mix of language, an Afrikaans kind of language. Hoe sit, ufar? And then if you're Muslim, you'll answer Alhamdulillah, that kind of thing. And if you're not Muslim, and then you'll say, hoe sit, and that kind of thing. So there's a mix, I think a mixed match. Someone help me out of languages in Cape Town. And we all identify with it. So today I am Cape Malay, even though my arms are bare. And my tattoos aren't real, so forgive me, Muslims aren't supposed to expose their tattoos. So everybody, welcome to this function today. We expected more students, but I think as usual they're late or they're in class, but we're expecting to mingle later, and hopefully we'll have more people when we go over to the sports hall to mingle with. And of course, in British English, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to our function today. I hope you're going to have fun. We decided we're just going to have fun today and enjoy each other. I wrote a long thing on WhatsApp, welcoming you and speaking about diversity and intellectualizing it and putting it in academic speech, and I thought, no, what the hell. We're just going to relax and find each other today and speak to people whom we never speak before. And as long as we learn one thing, in sign language, we've learned quite a lot today. So welcome everybody to our function. And I was hoping at Brandon to do the Afrikaans because my Afrikaans is baie swak. Ek praat suiwer Afrikaans. Because my partner, whom I speaks suiwer Afrikaans, and he's corrected my English because I used to say the R very flat. I say hardes, Cape Town hardes, and it's actually hardes. So, I speak very, I would say, Southern Cape English. So Bronwyn, Cape Town English. Cape Town Afrikaans.
No, I'm not. My Afrikaans is slegter as joune. Maar wat ek kan sê is alweer maar se kinders.
So welcome to Cape Town.
Thank you so much. That was a very informative. Awe masekent. That's my Afrikaans too. I am gonna humbly ask again for people to move to the front. We've got so many spaces. I promise you I won't bite you. You would leave this place in one piece. Please come to the front so that the people that are to join us later, they can just, come through the back and not disturb. So move to the front. There's still few spaces here. Second row, third row, fourth row, please. And at this point, we are going to call our Assistant Dean in the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, Prof. Yen, to come and also do a welcoming. I'm looking forward to hearing some Chinese.
Oh, yes. You can keep that. I use this one. Thank you, Program Director Niso.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? Welcome, everybody. And welcome, yeah. I learned something. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. 下午好. 你好. Yeah. Oh, yes. Before I start some official welcome, I want to show you some Chinese language. Maybe one day when you visit China, to see the Great Wall, see the Tiananmen Square, and also the Shanghai or Beijing or somewhere, at least can say something. 你好. 你好. Means hello. Remember, we were talking, my colleagues also talking about Afrikaans. We are more. Good, thank you, yourself. I'm right. Yeah, if you say 你好, Chinese will immediately pick up. They will be very happy. Say 你好 also reply back. Yeah, say thank you, 谢谢. I think my colleagues from international office, they will know that very well because they have met many international guests. Okay, that's general. Yeah. Okay, welcome again. Well, 欢迎. 欢迎 means welcome. Yeah, 欢迎 in Chinese, welcome. Thank you, Program Director. That is at the beginning. I have something official, welcome to all, because today is very special. Yeah, okay, all friends, guests, and also our students. And today, it's very special. And I'm really honored. Today is our second annual International Day, and because our dean, he's got a meeting at the moment, and I just suddenly get a instruction that I must do the welcome, but I'm very happy, although it's very short, because this is a very special day today. Yeah. Okay. Good day to all again. A very warm welcome to the second annual International Day, hosted by the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment. It is absolutely pleasure to stand here before you today to extend our heartfelt greetings to all of you who have graced this occasion with your presence. Okay, today we come together to celebrate the diversity and the richness of cultural and from various countries. I know some of the countries many of them from African countries and also from Asia and also other countries from Europe somewhere, yeah. But welcome to all. So our faculty is dedicated to fostering an inclusive environment where students, faculty, and staff from various backgrounds come together to share their unique perspectives. It is through this event like this, and we truly embrace the global essence of our academic community. The heart of this celebration lies in the vibrant cultural exhibitions that we have in store for you, which is at our sports hall. After this session, we can move today to see, but after the program is done from now, and then we can see the exhibition. And I know we have Indian and other countries, and also, of course, China. We also have a table there, please, to learn yourself, to see those are cultural stuff, and then gain some good understanding about these cultural things, and also get ready for future when you go to other countries, such as India or China and European countries. And as we walk together and through this colorful and dynamic displays, and let us remember that the spirit of togetherness knows no boundaries. It is our collective responsibility to promote understanding and unity, not only within our academic community, but also in the wider world. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants, exhibitors, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this event a reality. Your dedication and enthusiasm are truly commendable, and without your efforts, today would not be possible. So in conclusion, let us make the most of this day, taking the opportunity to connect, learn, and appreciate the cultures that make our world so diverse and beautiful. May this celebration be a reminder of the strength in our global community and the importance of embracing and respecting the differences that make each of us unique. So once again, a warm welcome to the second annual International Day. Let's make this day a celebration unity and also cultural enrichment. Thank you for being here and enjoy this special event. I thank you. Okay, yes, 谢谢. Oh, yes, and 再见. But 再见 means bye-bye, but not bye-bye. See you later. 再见.
Thank you, Prof. Yan. I am now very fluent in Chinese, ladies and gentlemen. Share. Ms. Daniels, can I please humbly ask you to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sit at the edge of row number 5, starting from the back, and then everyone that is sitting behind that row should move to the front. And then everyone who comes in, just direct them to occupy these seats, because people are still occupying the seats at the back and you still have spaces here. We're also doing this for photography purposes. It doesn't look nice when there's like too many patches that are open. Please, thank you. So yeah, you can come through to introduce the speaker. Thank you.
Just talk to him. She's going to speak. Just wait till he come down. Does he speak through here? I don't even know this person.
We have our next item on the agenda is our keynote speaker. We thought long about the keynote speaker and decided that we're going to have someone international to share the stories, about how they deal with diversity, and apparently, it's dealt very well in Germany. So, Professor Fester was supposed to introduce the speaker, but she's trapped in a meeting with the dean, so they've actually put me in this position to introduce the esteemed speaker. So we want to welcome Professor Stephen Sauter from Ravensburg. Am I correct? He will probably tell you about, what he's been doing, but he's an entrepreneur as well that makes jewelry and has a successful jewelry company as well. So welcome. I think Empfang, am I right, in German is welcome. I might be wrong, I've just Googled it. So Empfang to CPUT, and I hope we're going to have an enjoyable session with you. Thank you.
Can you hear us, Prof? Prof, are you hearing us?
Okay, now I can hear you. Okay, so it's my part now. Okay, so I say hello to everybody. It's a pleasure for me to have had the keynote, and thank you to Professor Fester, Rusha Fester, that I can introduce here my university in Friedrichshafen, Germany. So I try to show you our location. So let me Let me show you this. Okay, so we see Africa and Europe here, and we go a little bit in. So we are located in the south of Germany, and we are at the Lake of Constance. It's called this lake, Lake of Constance. And we are directly at this lake. And you can see here our campus. This is our campus here. There's a new building also here, and this is our main campus in Friedrichshafen for the technical parts, for the technical faculties. And we have another one for economics, and it's close to Friedrichshafen. It's called Ravensburg, and it's about, I would say, 15 kilometers away. But so Ravensburg. So here in Ravensburg, there are many, many buildings with the faculties of tourism. We have also banking, we have economics in general, we also have now environmental planting and so on. So it's a bigger place in Ravensburg, but the technical part is here at the lake directly. So I'm from there. I represent industrial engineering, like Professor Fester, and I want to introduce you a project we are working on, also together with some students from your side, from Cape Town. So I want to share my whole window. Let's try if this works. So I don't know. Just a moment. I tried it already, so it should work. No. Okay, then. So, does this work now?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, very good, very good. So, I want to introduce you a project we started this about a few years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's called the project E-Mule. So this is a standard vehicle we bought. It's a Kawasaki, and it was a normal fuel engine, but we changed it now into completely electrical power. So I'm professor at the Department of Industrial Engineering and also in contact with some students now. I'm very happy that we will have 2 students from Cape Town here at our site. So just an overview, this was the project team which started about 2017 and 18. So these are all Germans, and they started working on changing it into electromobility. So last year, we started to have some students from other sites, from other universities. But we have one student from Vietnam, and here Morocco, and also Morocco. The others are Germans. And here you see the lab engineer. He is Kamis Jakob. He is mainly leading the teams. And here in front of you, we see the new battery system, which should be implemented end of this year. So the last year we had project team also another students from Morocco. These are now 2 women and also a guy from Morocco. So we have every year, we have a new team.
Prof,
And
can I just
now-
interrupt you? We can't see the slides. We're seeing the,
You cannot see
Yeah.
the slides?
we're seeing the sort of
that-
view, yeah. There we go.
You cannot see the slides, okay. Okay, you should. Okay. Now? No,
We're seeing the sort of view. There we go, perfect, yeah.
that's better?
Yes, we can, yeah.
You see the slide? Okay.
It keeps going back to the original, there we go, yeah. We can see the, there's 7 people there.
Yes. So, you can see the slide now. I don't.
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. So this is now our team at the moment. These are the international students which are coming to visit us in Friedrichshafen at the technical site in Friedrichshafen. And here you see one student is Nosifo Potelva. So she's at the moment here and she stays for 6 months. And also we have here someone from Mexico, from Spain, also Mexico, and also from Taiwan. They are all working on the same project, which I will introduce later a little bit. And here also we are waiting for Mbali Menge. She's also from Cape Town, but I think she has some problems with the visa, but I hope she will come soon to the site. So let me just introduce briefly what we are doing. So our vehicle is a Kawasaki Mule, and we changed it into e-Mule. It's a 4x4 wheel drive, and all electrified by our students at the DHBW in Friedrichshafen. So it will have a 13 kilowatt electric motor and lithium-ion battery, about 10 kilowatt hours. It will last about 40 kilometers, and this will be extended soon. So this is the original vehicle.
The slides aren't changing, Prof. The slides aren't changing. If you can just press F5 maybe. We're seeing a slide with 4 pictures on.
Just a moment. So now?
Yeah, you're on slide number
Okay.
8, is that right?
So,
There we go, yeah. Perfect.
okay, good. So, this is the vehicle, and here the students all changed it now. There was the original engine inside, and here we put on the battery pack and so on. This was all done by the students. So then it was after renovation and electrification. Here we see all the components the students are working on. So we have students from electrical department, we have students from mechanical department, and also from informatics. Yeah, so we come later to this point where we will transform it into a digital twin. So this is the aim we have, to digitize everything and to have it in real and as a digital model. So here, for example, charging devices, electrical energy storage, electric components, and so on. So these are all parts the students are working on. Here, this is our battery pack, just for people who are interested in the details. I don't want to go too much into detail, but the battery pack consists all of these little cells. These are 3.6 volt and 3.5 ampere hours. And one package has about 17 of these round cells. So this is a new electrical storage, a new battery, which is also right now implemented by our students from the electrical department mainly, and also we constructed the whole case as well, the chassis. So you can see here, this is already done with I think 3D printing. Yeah, so everything is done by ourselves. So the point we are now working on together with Cape Town, with your university, is we want to create with this vehicle a digital twin. So what is the digital twin? Most of you probably already know, but this will be a one-to-one model of the physical object going into a digital object. So this means we have to deal with big data, machine learning. Also, you can learn from the digital model and put the answers or solutions into the real object. We need to have knowledge about cloud computing in real time. Yeah, so we will establish an internet connection between Germany, also Morocco, and also South Africa to build a real-time model of this vehicle. So, and then we will simulate, and yes, you can improve and do many things on the digital object before you start working on the real vehicle. Of course, Internet of Things is also a part. So our approach will be, we already have a concept. We digitize the vehicle, what you see on the left side, and also we want to digitize the environment where the vehicle will drive later on. So in future, it could be that someone in South Africa will move the steering wheel of the vehicle in Germany. Yeah, so, and we are also working on autonomous driving here in Friedrichshafen. We have a test streets already. There are other several projects working on such techniques. And so this is our next step. Everything will be digitized, not only the vehicle, but also electronic components, the steering, of course. So battery pack, control system, everything will be as a model in the computer later. And also the environment. This is our aim. So here I can show you what we have already done with our students, and I hope that Cape Town will follow up these works, and we are already in contact. And 2 of your students are working on that already. You see here a model we have built in Blender, so a 3D model. It should be a movie, a little movie, but yeah, so now it works a little bit better, just for demonstration. And then you can see if you turn the steering wheel, the wheels are really moving. So this will be done by sensors and also connection via internet. So the goals of this project will be several approaches. So first, we like to have international teams in our project. So that's why we are talking also to Cape Town and working with the whole world together. Yeah, not only online meetings, but also you can visit us in Germany, of course, or we can work together with bigger teams in South Africa, also Morocco, and I don't know, in future we will have probably some other countries in the boat, like Taiwan we already have. So electromobility, you will learn how this will work, the environment, technologies of the future. Yeah, you get also knowledge in project management, how to organize all these teams. We have already a team established who will coordinate all the sites worldwide. Knowledge transfer, theory, practice, problem-solving skills, technical creativity, all these things you will learn with this project. So at the moment, there are working about 30 people, 30 students are working on this project on several things. So what is the main goal? It's interdisciplinary team building. Industrial engineering is in the boat, mainly for project management tasks, but also technical things. Electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. All kinds of students are in the team. So the first thing is, if you establish a group, they have to find the formation of the group, who is doing what. Yeah, they will distribute all the tasks they have to do. So we're having every week project meetings. And then the second step is we go into project. So here I have some pictures. For example, I want to introduce here, this is Ingela Lundin. She is from Ravensburg, from the international office, and here together with Nocifo. Probably someone knows her, know her, not sure, but she's already here in Germany. And this is the actual team here working on battery stuff. And this is the lab engineer, Kamil Jakob, and here again, the international team. So, and then I want to show you all the international students here in Germany at University DHBW in Ravensburg. These are now the students. They visited the castle Neuschwanstein, probably here in the corner you see the castle. They visited, I think, 2 months ago. So if you come to Germany, you also can visit the castle, probably. Yeah, and so there are students also from the tourismic, from banking, and the technical students. So all kinds. Yeah, so from all over the world, even from Bhutan, we have Taiwan. So, and she's responsible for the administration and everything. Yeah, so this was a brief overview about the project which is going on here in Friedrichshafen. And we are looking forward to have many more students in the boat. It could also be via online, doesn't matter, or on site. Everything is possible. I think Professor Fester knows a little bit more about the possibilities from your side. Okay, this was from my side. Thank you for your attention. And if you have questions, let me know. Hope you come to Germany soon.
Oh, you can't see me. Hi,
Thank
Stefan.
you.
I've joined. Good afternoon. No, is it good morning, Molweni? Goedemiddag.
What do you need? I have to
There
release.
we are. Hi, Stefan.
Yes.
You can see me now. Hi. Thank you so much for your presentation. Let's hear if we have any questions for Prof. Sauter. Any questions? Oh, I see a hand at the back. We have some questions coming.
Thank you very much for your informative lectures. I just need to know, do you have anything on heritage conservations and other thing where we can send our student to work on?
Anything on heritage structures?
Can you know?
Did you hear the question?
No,
Okay.
I didn't catch it.
Okay. Do you have any projects that relate to heritage structures that can be worked on?
In which direction?
Construction, like old buildings, and doing digital twins of that and materials.
So unfortunately, for architecture and so on, unfortunately we don't have. I'm very sorry. We have media, we have design, something like that, but unfortunately no. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Sorry about that. Are there any more questions? Where did I see? Oh, we have a hand here. Maybe you can swap.
Thank you. So to the professor, he mentioned that they usually take industrial and electrical students. So I want to know at which level do they then be on the search for students? And is it only like a yearly project, or is it a project that is continuous, like they have started now?
The duration of the project and how it works and the level of the student knowledge required.
Yes, so usually we want to have students are going in or are the incomings with a bachelor degree already. So bachelor is, I would say, in front of bachelor, so the last semesters. But also we have master students also, and even a PhD student is working on this project. So, but for beginners, it's probably not suitable. I would say so, fifth semester, something like that, at the end of the bachelor. Okay.
Thank you very much. Any more students? So it's a number, and the stay is normally 6 months on that side, and then complete the rest of the project while you're back in your home country. So a maximum stay of 6 months in Germany is funded.
Yes.
Yeah, I think now I will have problems to do the selections. Too many students wanting to join. But Prof. Sauter, thank you so much for joining us today and just sharing how you incorporating quite a number of graduate attributes within one project and including internationalization. That's a very important part for our engineering students in there as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to join us here. Let's just thank Prof. Sauter.
Are there any opportunities for chemical engineering students in this program?
I would think so. Are there any opportunities for chemical engineering students on the project?
It's part of the battery technology.
Batteries?
No, but we don't have chemistry, unfortunately, as well, like building and. Sorry, I'm really sorry. So it's more for the technical engineering, I would say engineering tasks.
Okay,
Yeah.
no battery development.
Yes,
as such.
development,
Yeah, yeah,
engineering, right.
Okay, sorry about that. If no more questions, let's give Prof. Sauter a warm round of applause. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Thank you for joining us once again.
Thank you also. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, and then what do we do now?
That's fine, just leave it there. You just got to wrap up, don't you?
What? What is that?
Closing remarks.
Oh, okay. Am I doing the closing remarks right now? Okay. Okay. So, yeah, so this is, hello. So thank you very much. I just have to close the part on this side, and then we're going to move across for the rest of the party. So this is not the end. It will just sound like the end, but it's actually the beginning of the real party. Yeah, thank you very much for joining us today, everybody that's participating. Last year, you know, I embraced my African culture. I always used to say, when you ask a colored person, you know, wear your traditional clothes tomorrow, you're in a panic. You don't know what to do. So, and through the two, this is our second, and I've realized that we're going to have this every year. So every year I can't be stuck when it comes to that. So I've decided to use this as an opportunity and then reflect on my own heritage. So last year, because I'm born in Africa, you know, I went with my African attire. And this year I've reflected. My dad is, my grandfather was actually half Indian. So I thought that I will embrace that, and then I'll have a year until next year to see what else I can find. So that's the advantage then. So instead of it being a stumbling block, it's an opportunity for me to grow. So I'm really grateful to the faculty that have decided to embrace internationalization and transformation, because for me, it's really a personal journey of growth. And I think that is what this day is all about, to reflect on different cultures, yourself, where you're coming from, why you come from there, and how that will influence your journey and your output, your creativity, and your impact as an engineer. That's why we're having this. It's not about dressing up, but it gives you a time to reflect on who you are and how who you are is going to affect your impact in the rest of the world. So that's why we have this. So thank you very much to obviously CPUT that has the Smart Internationalization agenda, and then the faculty that has embraced that. Then to all the staff and the students that are here, thank you very much, because without you, we won't have this day, and without you participating. So I'm really happy to see that the numbers grew since last year, and hopefully we will have a day where we just have everybody walking in their cultural wear across the campus, and just have a day that we can celebrate like that as part of embracing that. And of course, without the people organizing this and funding from the Transformation and Language Committee, this would not be possible. So let's thank them. Ms. Reyners is our language coordinator, and she has embraced this idea of bringing different parts of, because internationalization has got to do with language, and that's why we have this. We also want to see the creativity of our engineers in terms of express themselves in poetry and different ways. So thank you very much for that. And then our organizers, Ndumi from the Office of the Assistant Dean has done all the background work and getting everything together for today. So Ndumi, can you please stand? Let's just give her a round of applause. Okay, thank you. If Mr. Cabela can just stand from the... There we go. Thank you very much. In charge of all the, yes, let's just call Ms. Reyners up to do that part. Thank you.
I'm so short. Wait, let me just stand on my toes. I would like to thank Kabelo Sebula. He's the institution language director. So Kabelo, I don't think people even know, that there's an institutional language director. And if it wasn't for him and, behind me and driving me to do this event today, I wouldn't have been able to do it. So Kabelo, from the faculty side, especially engineering side, we want to thank you in course. Dumelang. Am I saying the right word? Okay. In sign. Kelebocha. Got it? Kelebocha. Kelebocha. And in sign language, thank you. Thank you. Huh? Thank you.
Thank you very much. And then, Ndumi, if you can just come up here and then just introduce your team, please. Doesn't she look beautiful?
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Dumi. So I was working with Lebu. There she is. Lebu. And then we've got our photographer here, Asipe. The others are outside, but it's Atandile, Mbali, Hankelo, the registration outside, those three. And then Luvuyo Kakaza, I don't see him here. Also outside. Yes. And of course, David. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much to the team. And obviously our program director, Mr. Didiza. Niso, thank you very much for taking over. Did I thank everybody?
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And am I allowed to participate in the competitions today? I did write a poem. Am I not allowed?
Please,
okay.
Please,
okay. So can I read my poem now?
Yeah,
okay. It's not a lot. I thought I could do it in Afrikaans, but not. This was 12 o'clock. I came from the airport, a conference for 3 days, so at midnight. But I tried. This is called Opportunities. I didn't give it the name, I'm just giving it the name right now. Opportunities. CPUT and Phoebe, you are to me a lifeline of learning, and for more I am yearning. CPUT and Phoebe, you offer me a world of opportunities to build sustainable cities. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor. As you were busy with that poem, I was actually thinking maybe we should Africanize it. I like a better word. So next year, we still want you to do the poem, but you need to start with oh yina, you know, yeah, you should do that. Then it makes it more, diversity. Wrong, right? Yeah, you agree. Okay. So guys, as Professor has already said, we have come to conclude this part of the program, the real party. Africans will know what this means. The real party starts that side. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, let me rather give you, then I'll close.
I'm sorry to do this to everybody, but I have to speak about an important thing, the food. So please make sure you have a meal ticket. Right, when you register, you should have got one. You will not get a meal without that ticket, so please keep it safe. And also, please don't take more than one. I beg you. We only have enough for the people who registered. Okay. And oh yes, we have a stage on the other side. So if you have something to show off, like a dance, poem, whatever, you're welcome to just go on the stage and strut your stuff. There's no format. Give you a meal ticket. Yes. And if you do it very well, you'll get another meal ticket.
Okay, so this is an opportunity. Yeah. This is an opportunity for those who did not RSVP. Remember, the people that will not have a meal ticket are mostly those that didn't RSVP. So I am giving you a hint right now. If you did not RSVP and you've got something up your sleeve, that speaks to today's event, just go to the stage and you might earn yourself a ticket for the meal, right? And yeah, so just do your mapiano dance, you know, whatever. But just a recap quickly. A recap, David? Yeah, there we go. Just a recap quickly. Let's greet in San language. So a hi and a welcome. Can some? No. Don't give hints. I am just gonna randomly point people to give me a hi. Yes, you're looking at me, and I'm gonna point at you. A hi and a welcome. You. Is this me? Yeah. Yes, I'm looking at you. A hi and a welcome. The picture. Yes. And how's that, Ayesha? Yeah, give it enthusiasm a bit. Yes, got it. Well done. Now I need a hi in Chinese. Oh, that's Japanese. Ni hao, right? Now I need a hi/good morning or hello in Sesotho. Over to you, sir. Yes. Yes, you. Guys, let's pack our bags and head over to that side. Okay. Oh!